Hello everyone, back to my channel, and now I'm need to download driver Lexmark. This here for Surreal, and this here the driver free is the free download, and the website official the free download, not buy. And this here for the disclaimer, and this here for the free download. And if you need download, you click here, type the driver download, you type here the driver download, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download, and this here for your download for the office, you download for the official website. And you click here, this here for official website, and this here for official website, click here for service Lexmark, and click here this here for the landing page, and click here for driver and download, you click here, and this here for the free download. This here for search your automatics, your operating system, and this here for automatic you detect model the print, and this here for operating system automatic detect, and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux or operating system for the Macintosh, and this here for the tech automatic your operating system Linux or the Macintosh, and this here for the free download, and this here for a recommended driver support printer and scanner. If you need download, you click here for button download driver package, and this here for the operating system, all operating system for the Windows and Mac, the operating for the Windows. And this here for the new Windows 11, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows Server support. If you need download, you click here for button start download, and this here for start download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please wait finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. It's here for the tag automatic USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video. And this here for the official website, not a buy and not buy, and this here for the free download, and this here for your if you need download you download the free, not the buy, and this here for official website. And if you need question, comment below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel, and